There is a part of the internet you were never supposed to see. You use the internet every day. You watch videos, search on Google, scroll on social media. But what if I told you that's just the top layer? There's a secret world hiding underneath, a place full of mystery, danger, and fear. This place is called the dark web, and in this video, we're going to explore it.
The internet, the one with YouTube, Google, Facebook, is only the surface. Beneath it lies the deep web, private databases, emails, bank accounts. But further down, there's something far more mysterious, a place not indexed by search engines, a place where your identity can vanish, and so can your morality. This is the dark web.
You can't just type a URL into Chrome and enter the dark web. You need a special browser, Tor. Tor hides your location and encrypts your identity. It opens a hidden network of websites with onion addresses. These sites don't look like the normal internet. They're crude, minimal, and often chilling. It's a lawless land. Some use it for good: whistleblowers, journalists, activists in oppressive regimes. But then there's the dark side. Black markets selling drugs, fake IDs, weapons, credit cards, even hacked Netflix accounts. Forums that discuss hacking, cybercrime, even hitmen for hire. Yes, you heard that right. There are listings claiming to offer contract killing services. There are places even seasoned hackers fear to tread. Red rooms, alleged live streams of torture or worse. Human trafficking networks operating in the shadows. Untraceable cryptocurrencies used to fund unspeakable acts. Some of it is legend, but some all too real. Just visiting the dark web isn't illegal, but the moment you download, purchase, or participate in illegal content, you're in serious danger. The FBI, Interpol, and cybercrime units monitor it 24/7. Many dark web users think they're anonymous, but they're not, and many get caught. No one knows how deep the dark web really goes. It's a place of secrets, lies, and sometimes truths too terrifying for the light. For every door you open, there's another you wish you hadn't. Curiosity is powerful, but in the dark web, curiosity can be deadly. Stay smart, stay safe.